Всех приветствую на канале Оригами Бро. В этом видео вы узнаете, как сделать длинные когти из бумаги, как у Росомахи. Перед просмотром, пожалуйста, подпишитесь и поставьте лайк. Это очень поможет в развитии канала. Всем спасибо и удачного вам просмотра.
Said I'm cold in the water, broken and still feel nothing at all but pain and the chill. Said I'm cold in the water, broken and still feel nothing at all but pain and the chill. Yeah, cold and I'm all alone, yeah, I can't even see shore, yeah, and I got nowhere to go, yeah, hoping I can stay afloat, yeah. It feels like I've been dreaming, but I know I'm not sleeping. I just need hope. Said I'm cold in the water, broken and still feel nothing at all but pain and the chill. Said I'm cold in the water, broken and still feel nothing at all but pain and the chill. Yeah, the waves crash, oh so slow. White foam, overload. My mind never knows quite where to go, yeah. And I feel so unknown, misunderstood, alone, miles away from coast, but no one knows, yeah. Don't know where I'm gonna go. Lost lives overflowed, hoping I could stay afloat. If the future is so bad, tell me why the hell should I hold back? Tell me where to go when everything's back, when it's too dark to see where I'm at. Like, oh, hoping I can stay afloat. Broken and still feel nothing at all but pain and the chill. Said I'm cold in the water, broken and still feel nothing at all but pain and the chill. Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know, feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold outside, I'm break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
подписывайтесь, ставьте лайки. А мы с вами прощаемся. Всем удачи и пока!